Beautiful people, as you can see, we are about to make 2,000 rands in a single day from just a deposit of 750. We made some few losses, but we came back big time. So this is just to show that the robot guys can trade even very small accounts. So when I say minimum deposit is $500, I mean it's $50, which is 750. I'm not lying. I'm not lying at all. As you can see, you can trade with a small account. It's possible. It's possible. So guys, we are back again. We are with a bang. As you can see, we are approaching 4,000 USD. We are approaching 4,000 USD. So I told you guys that this robot, guys, is not here to play. As you can see, we are here with a bang. I'm just above 15,000 USD in the account equity. As you can see, touchdown on 4,000, and we are running, guys. This robot, guys, is the best. Cheers for now.